Hi, I'm Patrick, Adamus Principal. I just want to clear something out of the way. It's all this Robin Hood madness in volatility terms anyway. Just want to clear it really out of the way. Despite the carnage in small float companies that are really victim to manipulation, despite the hedge funds getting a lot of pain handed to them, FX is largely unaffected. That kind of changed after the post from Robinhood, or one of the Robinhood post boards saying that they're going to be buying silver. So this dragged gold up, dollar got hit, Aussie higher, euro dollar higher. But the thing is, it might be fine with equities, but how much legs has that got with OTC spot FX? So it's a slightly different ball game. But nonetheless, it gave those bears in Eurodollar a chance to resell those highs. So talking of Eurodollar, let's have a look at the charts. As you can see, we cracked above that mid-Bollinger Band around 120, 125, but we couldn't stay above and we got sold into. Now, no real follow through despite ECB not being quite dovish. He's a super hawk. Despite this investigation of the Fed on the kind of oddity of a weaker dollar, but also strong fundamentals. Despite all that, we didn't get any follow through. Now, 120.65 is the key level to hold. I mean, it is holding down there. Now, the previous low, as you can see, that stayed around there for a long time. I think 20 odd hours. Now, what can't really go down has to probably go up. And we had that there. We had the sellers gave up the goose, basically. Now, 121.75, very, very key to stay below. It is difficult if you are buying into this because we're looking like we might drift lower. If 120.65 cracks, you could go all the way to 119.78. Next chart. The good old Aussie, look, did what it was supposed to do, held the mid-Bollinger Band, cracked through that minor fib at 23.6. And then we're getting a bit of a pause at this old pivot at 76.39, but the real level is at 75.91. If that goes, then it could get real ugly all the way down to 75.20. Next chart. Dollar yen, well. Very odd moves, actually. Can't really explain it. Equities were going lower despite dollar yen going higher. Could have been a dollar move, not too sure. Smells probably like some flows perhaps, or I'm not too sure. Could be something else, but it is a bit odd. And when something doesn't smell right, I tend to step back. But nonetheless, we are putting a cap below this 104.94, this 105 area. And so far, so good. But, don't hold your breath. This could, bears that is, this could go all the way up to 105.66. And then your final chart, dollar CAD. Look here, isn't that nice? We had some lovely ranging, great space in between the peaks and troughs. It was a minor three at 23.6, but ranging between 126.08 and 127.92, and we broke the resistance. That became support, and we are still trading above. That's it from me, Patrick Reed, Adamus Principal.